Show bafethu, my name is Kwanjani aka Mulwashana. Welcome to my new video. I'm gonna be test driving this EcoSports 2019 Tottenham. I'm gonna be telling you about it on this video. Please, I forgot to tell you, please like, comment and subscribe, guys. That's very important. Okay, so it has a good suspension, guys. You can drive it on the gravel, guys. I'm on the gravel, so it feels good in both places. In terms of ushayela mhlawumbe ushayela edolobheni yabo, mhlawumbe ushayela endaweni njengokuthi gravel yabo. It's nice, man. Even I love the steering of Salem motor face. The motor got a good like steering wheel yabo. Yabo mangisibambe kanje ngik freeway, I can hold it like this for like good 30 minutes. Ngisibambe kanje. You can chill usibambe kanje steering sakho. There are so many ways you can hold your steering sakho. I like this steering wheel. Anything engithanda ngayo futhi 6-1 man. I wanna masingena freeway, bro. Wabo, it feels so very comfortable. About Ford, even the Masita corner, I'm gonna speak about the Masita corner. They're very, very, very comfortable. I think Ford did good for this car. About did justice. So shout out, man. Shout out to Ford EcoSports. Yeah. I think any of the guys in the gears about like this model. This model is a Benza. Even the Bluetooth, you can use the Bluetooth, you can use the FM, I love AM and Bazi, and there is a USB portable. So yeah. Ukuthi guys, you can awusebenzisi le ina USB portable ubona fa USB la. Ngwana amapen imoto wa t-shirt. So this 12 volts where you can charge your phone. Please don't mind the matabam, guys. The motor ngolile angwazange uwasha kwiseka wash this Sunday because they're busy cold. So yeah, guys. In the windows, guys, all the windows are like electronically done. Like this is where you can like, this is a driver's window. This is a driver's window. So yeah, guys, this car claims 8.5 per 100 since look ifakiwe upetrol. Ayilana mnganami, one thing about this car, akusiyona imoto yomuntu bethu ungekho ready, yabo. Thela upetrol cause uzawuthela mnganami. Hayi, uzawuthela. But I'm not complaining because you emgwaqeni. And guys, it has like Apple CarPlay, but it only happens when you inside this USB cable. Like it has like Apple CarPlay. Look at this. You see, let's play music now. Hope I'm not gonna be. You see, waiting, but like I don't know why it's not playing, but this is the cable. Oh, you know what's up. Guys, please subscribe, guys. I think, guys, the only thing I've left off to speak about the way the transmission, guys, the gears, man. The only thing I'm not happy about is that when you just maybe it's legs must pick up. And then must have pick up his ukuthi ibuyele again noma isibini inokuba nalonto le esalayo le angiyazi biza ngani le base. If you know this, please say that iba nalonto le, but if you must ujwayele, you are able to rob it ukuthi yena you are able to like yabo ukwazi ukuyirobha iyenzeke fast. So I think that's the disadvantage or something I don't like about it. But like the rest of the car, even the sound yakhona bro is proper like yabo khona speaker la yabo, khona speaker lapha. All the doors, bro, all the doors has ama speakers ne. Ngabe ngiyazama ukunizwisa ne, but like izoswe ngibe trying bahlale copyrighted because of YouTube. So guys, I think this guy is good, man. It's good. I feel like it's more good for people about moving around town, because there's a boot space. I'm gonna show you now a boot space. There's enough boot space for like filling off impahla zakhe grocery, and there's ihlalo ezingemuva lezi yabo lezi ziyakwazi ukulala, so that you can like even ufake ihlalo uthenga ihlalo uthenga into that is much longer than the boats, and you can just like make the ihlalo zilale in there. So yeah, now guys ngizongena etiyeleni, and then I'm gonna try to show you this thing ngikhuluma ngayo mokade wele i-hams nayo. So let's do it guys. Let's do it. Yabo singihamba ngo-2 le ngiyoshaya i-hams nayo. Buka. Asangene nje emgwaqeni. Yahanjwa la mngani. Yabo? Soshaya i-hams. And then mase kumele ngibuye ke. Yabo? Qale yathula, and then bese bayimaye respond. I don't know why. Maybe someone teach me why it's considered young respond. Because I've been driving any motor there. After the hams, he respond at the same time. But this is the only thing I don't like about it. Kodwa masasihamba mnganami. Masasihamba akuyahanja mnganami. Masasihamba. Tshela ke manje. Khambeni. Thole freeway, wait. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe guys. So please don't forget that guys, cause so that things ngizamwenza amavideo njengalawa if you really enjoyed them. So this one. Oh, this time is to pick up fast, ne? Yes. Yazi ngize ngirobhe kanjani? Ngize ngirobhe ukuthi ngidonsa isikhathi eside so that yabo izokwazi ukukhava. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. The only thing I'm doing here is ukukhombisa i-boat space. So yabo. So guys, this is a boot space. This is a boot space. You just want look for a boot space. So one thing I like about this, you can like set it to this. Okay. Yeah. See, watch this. You see, this is how much is the space is this, man. So guys, yeah man, please like, comment and share guys. Please subscribe.